Imagine having an AI-powered research assistant that organizes your data, answers your questions, and even creates podcasts for you. Sounds futuristic? It's here, and it's called NotebookLM. Today, we're diving into Google's incredible new AI-powered notebook called NotebookLM. By the end of this video, you will know how to use NotebookLM to supercharge and streamline your research, note-taking, and content creation. We will cover everything from setting up your first notebook to generating summaries, podcasts, and more. Let's get started. What exactly is NotebookLM? It's Google's AI-powered notebook platform that streamlines your research process. It helps you organize information, extract key insights from multiple sources, and generate content like summaries, FAQs, and even podcasts. Imagine you're working on a presentation, writing an article, or managing a team project. NotebookLM makes it easy by gathering key information and giving you clear, helpful results. Now that you know what NotebookLM is and what it's capable of, let's dive into how it works and the features that make it a game changer for research and content creation. Where to access this cool notebook? Head over to notebooklm.google.com on your desktop. You only need a free Google account to access it. After you are logged in, you will see options to create a new notebook or explore example notebooks. Think of the notebooks as containers for your projects. These are your digital notebooks. You can create separate notebooks for different topics, as many as you like. When you open a new notebook, you will see a Sources panel on the left side. Think of the Sources panel as the foundation for all the magic NotebookLM can perform. The better you organize your sources, the more effective and tailored your outputs will be. You can click on the plus sign to upload all the materials relevant to your research, like drag and drop files directly from your computer or from your Google Drive. You can see at the time of this recording, you are able to upload PDFs, text files, audio files, website links, YouTube video or other public video URLs, and even copied and pasted text. Another good feature that you will find comfort is that your data you upload into your notebooks stay private, as NotebookLM does not use it to train its AI or allow any human reviewers. On the bottom of the notebook, you will find a search bar box. This is your command center, powered by Google's Gemini AI. You can use it to ask questions about the information you uploaded into the Sources panel. What is important to note is that NotebookLM's AI Gemini only uses the information you provide as the sources, making it incredibly accurate and reliable. To interact with your sources, you just select the ones you want to use to get information when using the chat bar. You can try prompts like, "Give me the top 10 key points," or "What is this specific video all about?" You'll get clear, concise answers with citations, which are these little numbers. They are linked directly back to the pages or sections where the information came from. Are you thinking about some projects you might want to use NotebookLM for to do the heavy research work for you yet? Comment below if you thought of any cool ideas or projects you might want to try. So let's get into what NotebookLM can really do for you. The Notes section is where all your AI-generated outputs, summaries, and personal notes will appear. Click on the Notebook Guide if you want some help exploring your research. The Notebook Guide can suggest additional questions you might want to ask the chat based on your sources. Click on a question, and the AI will generate an answer for you. You can click Save to Note, which will then make it appear on the Notes section. You will want to be aware that there is no capability to save the AI chats between sessions or screen refreshes, so you will want to save these notes by pinning the response. Additional things you can do inside the Notebook Guide is to create an FAQ document, a study guide, table of contents, a timeline, and a briefing or summary doc from all the source materials you uploaded. You also can rename your notes to keep them better organized, such as adding prefixes like timeline or FAQ doc. You can also rename the entire project as well at the top of the notebook. If you want to use snippets from ChatGPT conversations into NotebookLM, simply copy and paste as additional text. Keep an eye out for new integration features as NotebookLM continues to develop. Another great feature is if you want to collaborate with other people on a project, it's seamless. Whether you're brainstorming with a team or co-authoring a project, everyone stays on the same page with live updates. Anyone can simply share their own notebooks just like you would with Google Drive sharing. Now for what I think is one of the best mind-blowing features, audio generation. It's essentially an AI-generated podcast with two very realistic hosts. This is where you can turn all of your uploaded research and additional notes you added as sources into an entertaining podcast. For instance, you could turn your research project on climate change into a podcast with two hosts explaining complex topics in everyday language, perfect for educating a broad audience. Here is how you can easily do this. Under the Audio Overview option, you can choose to generate a podcast directly or customize it with prompts. You can customize what you want the podcasters to focus on in your audio generation, even asking them to explain things in simple terms. The focus areas are really limitless. Do you want to give your podcasters a specific persona? Include it. Do you want to specifically eliminate info from your podcast, like the author or video names to keep your podcast more general? Just give it that command. When you are ready, simply click Generate. Then the audio podcast will process and be ready in a few minutes for you to listen to and download or delete and generate again. You can do this as many times as you like till you get what you are looking for. If you want to hear an amazing podcast created by Notebook, be sure to click the video shared at the end of this video. It really is mind-blowing. You got to check it out. Now's the time to let your creativity and productivity soar. Head over to notebooklm.google.com and give it a try. And if you're already brimming with ideas, please share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join us for more tips, tools, and strategies to level up your productivity and creativity. Happy researching and creating.